I am so hangry right now. So hangry. Well, why are you angry? Not angry. Hangry. Hangry. What's hangry? Hangry? What's hangry? When you're so hungry that you're really irritable, that you're really angry. Hangry. Get it? Hungry plus angry equals hangry. I'm hangry right now. Okay, so why are you hangry? Because I had breakfast, but I had to work so much I didn't even have time to have lunch. And I'm starving right now. Well, why don't we get some pizza? Okay, pizza sounds good. Let's get pepperoni. I love pepperoni. Pepperoni. No pepperoni. No! How about some veggies like mushrooms or green pepper or onion or something like that? Can we have that? I really have a craving for pepperoni. I really don't care. Whatever you want. Whatever. Whatever. I just want to eat. I am starving. So angry. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll get Veggie Delight. Thank you.